Safran Electrical and Power has more than 70 years of wire harness manufacturing experience, where the strictest quality guidelines are applied to our products, exceeding customer requirements and expectations. Our ever-evolving processes set the industry standard for efficiency and quality, and the incorporation of automated stations, like the one described in this video, will secure the next steps for space reduction, ergonomics, efficiency, and reliability, while simultaneously advancing towards Industry 4.0. The concept of an automated manufacturing station was born from the need to find better and more efficient ways to manufacture wire bundles and serve as an assistant to the human operations involved in the process. The station, as seen here, is designed and composed of 3 different sections: the feeder system, work area, and the pulling system. The feeder system starts the process and is in charge of dispensing wires coming from the first end stations into the work area. The operator will set up an assembled connector in there and prepare the station to initiate work. The feeder's mechanism will allow the wire to flow without getting tangled while maintaining a steady pace. The working area is designed to enable a manufacturing operator to perform certain tasks and verify the specific positioning of components like flag markers, protective sleeves, and sealing tape. The area is further enhanced by a graphical user interface directing the operator via step-by-step instructions. The work area also has a set of encoders, a pause button, and a laser system to indicate the exact location of the wire harness's components. Plastic ties are installed automatically, and length is measured as the harness moves. Finally, the pulling system sets the operator's pace, controlling the pull force to move each harness through the station, and then coiling the finished harness. The system is designed to work in conjunction with the encoder wheels, which gather metrics to assure every harness's integrity, preventing both damage and assembly errors. After a finished harness is coiled, it is removed from the station and passed on to the second end area, continuing its path across the pending manufacturing process. The wide-scale development of this station will result in a faster, more cost-effective production time frame for simple point-to-point wire bundles. This enables operators to concentrate on more complex actions and spend less time on repetitive tasks, thus reducing the risk of injury from manual repetition. The automated manufacturing station also reduces the space needed to produce these harnesses, as it does not require a form board. This automated station saves space and time while reducing error rates and increasing operator accuracy. As this prototype demonstrates increased value with point-to-point harnesses, the objective is to achieve automation on higher complexity bundles. Continuing this project means continuing to prepare Safran for an ever-advancing future, building the tools needed to accomplish our goals. The automated manufacturing station means fewer errors, more harnesses, faster production, and healthier employees.